Hi everyone, my name is Jess. Once again, this is the sound stretch for this week, and this video is recorded to support members of the Breast Cancer Foundation. So today I'm going to show you two poses that can help you to feel more stable and more grounded during this period of time. Sometimes we also ask, we have this worry and concern about, do we have enough? Do we have enough money? Do we have enough energies? Do we have enough time? So these two poses will help us to ground ourselves, to feel more stable and feel more abundance about ourselves. And today I have two golden bowls, which I will use it for the last 5 minutes to create a short clip of a sound clip for you to enjoy the relaxations and the recharge by the end of the session. So let's begin. So the first pose, we will work on a toe squat. So let's come on knee position and tuck in your toes. So just use your hands to adjust your toes in case some of the toes are not really resting firmly on the mat. So once you adjust yourself, just bring your hips to sit on the heels. This may actually create some pressure on the toes and also on the heels, and can be quite intense for some of you. And if you find that to do this is pretty challenging, there is an option for you. You can just rest your both hands in front, just gently bend yourself forwards, so it will lessen the pressure on the ankles and on the toes. So you can take either option that will support you. And again, once you find the option that works for your body, you can place your hands on your thighs and begin to soften yourself. So just allow yourself to sink towards the mat. You just feel that there are so much stability into the floor, and you feel so stable here. And if you feel comfortable, you may close your eyes. Again, in the sound stretch class, we will hold each pose between 3 to 5 minutes. So you can take some time to spend with yourself, to connect with your body, and just notice what your body is trying to tell you in each of these poses. And always remember to keep breathing. Just check that your breath is breathing okay. To come out of the pose, just gently drop your hands forwards, and slowly you can move yourself to the all four position. So bring the toes, bring the feet flat on the floor. Just take a moment to observe the changes in the sensations as you release the pose here. And you can stay here for 3 more breaths. Just maintain awareness in your breath at all times. That will help you to bring in more stillness. When you feel ready, we'll move to the next pose. So begin to bring the big toes touching each other's, and slowly allow your hips to sit on the heels. Let's try to bring the knees close to each other. From here, we gently bring our hands to the back, and very slowly we bend backwards here and begin to lift your knees and the shins off the mat. Again, this might be quite intense for some of you with maybe tight ankles. So you don't have to go very deep in this pose. You might just gently lift the knees slightly off the mat. Or for some of you, if this is still too challenging, you can choose to just place your shins on the floor and just slowly bring your hands to the back and slowly just bend backwards. So support yourself with your hands. And if you allow, you will find that your weight begins to just sink to the back more. So your legs become very light here. They might just naturally be lifted off the mat. Again, we feel stability in the pose here. We just feel that the hips and the ankles and the feet are sinking onto the floor in a very stable manner. And again, when you feel comfortable, you may close your eyes to just enjoy the moment here. And if you like, you can bring the awareness to your ankles, to your feet, to just pick up some sensations there maybe. Again, you may choose to hold this pose between 3 to 5 minutes. And when you want to come out of the pose, let's do it mindfully and slowly. Very slowly, just allow your knees and the shins to come back to the floor. Bring yourself back to the middle, upright position. Just rest your hands by the side. Take a moment to breathe here. 2 breaths. And very slowly, once again, let's walk your hands forward. And we'll come back to 4-4s. Again, you may feel some changes, maybe a gust of sensations being released in the lips. Some of you might feel some temperature change in the sensations. Can be a sense of coldness or even a sense of hotness. We will continue to stay here for 3 more breaths. One more breath to go. When you feel ready, let's gently, slowly make your way back to the mat. And we have come to the final resting pose here. So begin to take your positions to lie down on the back to enjoy the sound healing. So just adjust yourself so that you find your positions lying on the back comfortably and allow your body to feel heavy and sink towards the mat. And when you feel ready, I invite you to close your eyes. Just allow the sounds to wash over you, to enjoy this final relaxations with the singing bowls. ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Very slowly, let's move your fingers and toes, and gently bend your both knees. Turn your body to the left side and stay here for a moment. When you feel ready, you may gently come back to sitting. Let's take the side way to help you to come back to sitting. If you like, you can rub your palms. Just find the warmth and energies in your palms, and you may bring them onto your eyes. And you may take in a deep breath here. Inhale, hands towards the ceiling. Give yourself a good stretch. Exhale, draw your palms in front of your heart center together. Just feel a sense of gratitude emerging from your heart. Take a chance to say thanks to yourself for joining me in this video today. Thank you very much. I will see you next time.